Hello everyone, have a good day. Welcome back to my live trading session today. Okay, everyone is heading to the FOMC result. Yeah, that's public in around 9 p.m. 9 p.m. according to France time. Yeah, 8 p.m. So it's likely that there are more chance. Yeah, Dover's 25 points. That's gonna be happened because now, as we all know, that Mr. Jerome Powell is under a lot of pressure from Mr. President Donald Trump. Even though that the current interest rate was already cut down 25 points, but he still wants to continue cutting down from the current interest rate, because the economy of USA is kinda concerned recently. Let's have a broader view for the news from in the beginning of this month until now. Hello everyone, hello. Okay, so as you can see that currently the important news that public in the beginning of September until now, most of them is negative. Most of them are negative for USD. So this is a negative concern for the current USD strength and also USA economy health, right? So that is the reason why Mr. President Donald Trump putting more pressure to Jerome Powell, cut down more interest rate percent. And this decision will have very big impact to USD strength and also to gold price. Okay, so let's come back to 4-hour time frame of gold. And as you know that yesterday gold already set up new 88, right? 37.02. That is a new all-time high of gold up till now. But this is also a psychology level. That is for the current bearish momentum, right? But actually that is in the short term, because as you can see that this is the level that's very far from below EMA 34. And you can as I just shared you previously, that if gold price moving too far away from EMA line, EMA ribbons, it always tend to coming back, bounce back and have the reaction with EMA ribbon here, and then it will continue the current trend. And as we all know, it is very powerful uptrend, right? Powerful uptrend. And from yesterday's session, London session, until now, you can see that this is the confirmation from the market by this engulfing candle. We all see that here we have the broader view in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame for the broader view for the gold market from yesterday until now. And this is the engulfing candle, which is the confirmation of the market that the buyers officially dominated the market, right? And yesterday, okay, so this time the market already increased, have a powerful bullish candle before core retail sales. This news release, core retail sale release. And you can see that after having a powerful engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle here, that's the body go beyond, higher than the crossover of 3 EMA's ribbon here. Okay, and it's break the previous level significantly, right? After that, the market was accumulating for a while and continue the powerful uptrend until now. But after hitting a new 88 at the level 3702 to 3700. Okay, so gold is facing with the short-term adjustment, short-term retracement. And now in the 4-hour time frame, you can see it's nearly a Greystone doji is forming at the moment. Very thin body, right? Very thin body and a long upper wick. So this level, okay, this level we will wait for a better entry zone, and I am considering for the previous for the upcoming limit order. Okay, so let's pay attention to the previous bullish candle here, and I will show you how to identify the specific level we need to pay attention to. Okay, so this is the breakout area. 53 to 55 is the breakout area of the previous bullish candle. You can see here. Okay, and this is also the confluence with EMA 34 in 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we have two conditions, okay, for the buy signal at this level. Okay, so now I just do the how to identify the specific level. Okay, and if we want to enter the trade, let's wait for the confirmation of the market. Okay, like a bullish engulfing candle here or another bullish candle. Okay, or a long lower wick shadow, a long lower wick candle that appear here. So that is more clue for us to set up buy scalping signal. Okay, at the level 36.54 to 36.53. So this time at the moment we do not have any random trade or real-time trade. You can see that gold is likely dropping down, but we don't know it's gonna be happened whether that any buyers or big players setting the limit down here, to support for the buyers. So it's better for us to do analysis like the actions I just did and wait. Okay, wait. And again, let me change the color of this level into blue so that we can understand this is the support level. Okay, the color will represent for the meaning like where is support level or where is resistance level. Okay, and on the other hand, I usually use the red color to draw triangle box, rectangle box for resistance level, for identifying resistance level. Okay, so let's come back to the smaller time frame, like 1 hour. So in 1 hour chart, you can see here that this is the breakout zone of gold from this area. It's breakout from the previous peak at the 36.55 and starting and continue for the very powerful bullish momentum after that, right? But the stronger it is, the more fair value gap is forming, right? And the previous candle, bullish candle, already filled the fair value gap here. Okay, so this is the point we need to pay attention, especially for the level like down here, that the market easily to collapse if there are unexpected news released. Okay, so that is the reason why I always advise you, especially experienced and beginner trader, we need to always set the stop loss order, okay, and prevent from trade hedging or not setting the stop loss level. Okay, the market will blow away your entire account if you're burdened with your decision. Hi Cameron, hi Bear, hello everyone. Okay, so are you clear with my analysis that I just did? If yes, let's comment. Okay, yeah, so let me know. And now gold price is heading down, yeah, to 60. So you can say that the current momentum is the bearish, right? The current candle is the orange one. This is indicate for the bearish is coming back and dominate the market. Okay, so let me try to draw a trend line at this area. So let's see what is going on. Alright, at this level is also confluence with the trend line. Okay, and on your left side of the chart you will see my gold trading plan that I did analysis and supplied to you every day freely. So that is the point of view of are there if anyone follow the buy signal. Yeah, we need to pay attention to this below level 36.55. And if you are if you are interested in sell size, yeah, follow the sellers. We need to pay attention to the higher levels, like 36.73 to 36.75. Okay, it's down below here. Alright, I did the analysis based on the 15-minute time frame because there are two reasons. First one, this is the starting, the continuations of the bearish momentum, and the second condition is the crossover between EMA 200 and EMA 34. Okay. Okay, so in today's live stream, I help you to identify upper and lower price level that we need to pay attention to in today's London session. And if the price moving slowly in today's London session, you will understand that the market is waiting for explosion. Okay, waiting for explosion when FOMC release today. FOMC statement. So are you nervous? Are you nervous for the upcoming FOMC? Because now we don't know that Mr. Jerome Powell will continue to keep the current interest rate, or he will follow the instruction of Mr. President Donald Trump to continue cutting down the interest rate. Okay, so there will be two scripts for today's gold market. But anyway, that it will continue to support for gold price moving, and the current bullish momentum will not stop. Okay. So yesterday, the new all-time high at 3,700 dollars was officially established. So $4,000 is gonna be happen in the near future. Okay, if Trump want to push the economic of USA going upward in a higher level. Developed, more and more developed. Because as we all see that most of the important news that public from in the beginning of September until now, most of them are negative for USD strength, right? So today action from Fed will be a big hit to all the markets, not only gold, I believe so, but also crypto like BTC or ETH, and other assets like currency pairs like Euro USD, right, or any currency relating to USD. Okay, so let's pay attention to level that I supply for you. Now the market is just moving sideways and waiting for any clearer trend from today's news. So Wednesday will be busy. Investor kind of busy. And if you are a careful investor, you can ignore it and wait for tomorrow early Asian session. Okay, and you know that I already wake up early to prepare for the qualified scalping signal in the early Asian session. For you who living in Asian country can trade with me. Okay, my pleasure. And recently that I aware that the current momentum was the bearish, right? It's no longer the buyers supported the market anymore. So it's gonna be happen like yesterday London session, but now from the early Asian session until now, you can see obviously that the sellers is dominating the market. Okay, and according to my VIP signal group, that today once again our VIP members gain a qualified scalping signal with a big profit, right? More than 100 pips for each signal. So even the day that the market moving sideways like yesterday New York session, I always try my best to do the best analysis to help you to have the qualified scalping signal. Because I understand that if we have the continued stop loss streak, it will be a big pressure, right? But anyway, if you already hit your limitation relating to the stop loss level, we need to take a break and wait until you're confident again to come back and fight with the market. Okay, never have the revenge trade mindset. Okay, delete that mindset out of your mind if you want to become a professional trader and gain a lot of profits from this market. Never revenge trade. Okay, never do the revenge to the market. It's very dangerous. Okay, so let's take a look at BTC. Recently that I usually receive the question relating to the analysis of BTC. Let's go back in 1 hour chart. Okay, so you can say that it's kind of opposite to the gold situation, gold movement, right? If gold is heading up, heading down from yesterday until now, and for BTC is continued to moving sideways after its previous bullish trend. Okay, and this is where BTC, the price range of BTC. Anyway, that's in the big time frame. In the bigger broader view, that we can see that it's continued to moving sideways. And if you want to trade, first you need to wait for the confirmation candle at the border, lower or upper border that we identify. Okay, so previously at this point, this was a bullish trap. Here, this was a bullish trap from BTC big players, but there are also a signal here. This is a nearly a doji candle, but it's kinda bullish. The bullish winning, but you can say that it also have the balance upper and lower wicks. Okay, and after that another bearish engulfing candle that's forming, and now it's heading back to the current rectangle box. Okay, and heading down to below EMA. Alright, so this time I advise you to wait, or if you already follow or follow buyers or sellers, just set small take profit. Okay, as a short take profit, because now it's moving sideways, and if you hold the trade too long, it's not bring a lot of profit to you at all. And now all investors heading to the decisions of FOMC in today meeting, today news for rate. So all the market will have a big hit. Okay, let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Okay, so let's go to smaller time frame. It's likely having more chance to heading down to a lower level at 114k and 600 700. 114k and 700. This is the level. You can say that it's not all the time that we will gain profit, because 80% of the period, market period is moving sideways, right? So that is the reason why. Yeah, another reason that I do not advise you to borrow money, okay, or have any loan with your bank to trade for some money for you to trade. Yeah, we shouldn't. Yeah, we shouldn't do it at all. We should trade with your money, with your own money, and you save it. Yeah, you save it with no purpose. Okay, or any money that you feel less pressure on it. Yeah, just like it's not for fun at all, because that is our money. And we need to make money from our money, right? And yeah, of course, this action trading is not for fun. We need to serious, right? To be serious with this job. I can call this like a job because it's helped us to improve our income, right? But sometimes if you do it carelessly or be stubborn with your mindset about having revenge trade or catching the falling knife, it's gonna be very, very dangerous to your capital, to your money. Okay, so for the trading, only you need to be disciplined first, and then risk management lesson 1 to 2% rule. Okay, 3 key points will help you do the trading result will gain better if you have the good mentor, okay, who's supplying you a qualified scalping signal or swing trading signal. Okay, and you need to calculate if any swing trade can be appropriate with your liquidity or your equity. Okay, so it's gonna be just be simple like that. Okay, you can see that there are thousands of indicators or tools or methods, but only you need to control your psychology and your just find yourself 1 to 2 basic method. And of course you can refer to EMA, right? Trend line, support or resistance level, or Dow theory, or Fibonacci measurement. So it's gonna be help you a lot in your trading analysis, and you need to understand a bit about fundamental analysis. Okay, how is the economy news impact to the market, especially gold? And we understand the relatives between gold and USD news. Okay, just equip the basic knowledge that I believe that with my support relating to a qualified scalping signal, you can gain a good trading result. Okay, so let's come back to gold. Let's see what is going on at the moment. You can see that it's continued to moving sideways with a very small body, right? Very small body candle. Okay, and I'm very happy that until now more than 60 friends is joining with me, and thank you very much. And if you want to trade news with me today, to the FOMC news before it's happened, welcome to my VIP signal group. And tomorrow we will start trading in the early Asian session, like all the time. Okay, so let's read this news. A dovish 25 points or hawkish 50 points rate cut. Okay, so this is a hot shirt, right? A hot shirt. because everyone is concerned for the current interest rate. Dovish leaning. 50 points cut good allow Chair Powell to be as hawkish. Yeah, as the move itself could dominate aggregate impact. Let's see the full story of this news. And yeah, this move will impact the entire currency pair all over the world and also for the general banks. Yeah, all over the world. And Miss Lisa Cook was fired recently. Is very shocked. Yeah, in the U.S. history, because that more than 110 years it's never been happened. 110 years, and this is the first time this event happened, right? So the situation is getting more and more serious, that the Mr. President Donald Trump wants to conquer and control all the Fed system. So this is the verdict of a reporter. As for the main event, markets price only a minimal chance that the Fed will cut rates by more than 25 points. The focus will be on the new set of projections and also the individual votes, with Stephen Myron participating for the first time. You can say that Germany, France, and other European countries will totally impact from this because they definitely have the debt to USA, and USA is the biggest debt in the world at the moment. Yeah, thousands of billion dollars. Alright, so it's gotta be head down. Okay, so let's take a comment. Yeah, let's take a look at the comment of other investors that they leave the comments in this chat box. So most of them is facing with dovish 25 points. Okay, so this is another prediction that 25 point is bearish, 50 points is the bullish, drop and ATH. Oh yeah, nice. There's many predictions that upload. And as the gold trader, we need to practice to read these news every day. Yeah, it's gotta be help you a lot in your trading by using fundamental analysis and perfectly confluence with technical analysis. It's haven't reached to our specific level. Okay, so I'm considering to change my time for live stream time. Yeah, it's easily to have the market moving sideways at this time. It's gonna be happen later 1 hour a bit. Okay, so this is the price range of gold recently. Yeah, hours later, hours ago. Okay, so anyone want to ask me something? Yeah, so now we just wait for the market's run. Okay, so let's take a look at the Euro USD. For Euro USD, you can see that in 1 hour chart is have a long lower wick. Yeah, after hitting EMA 34, and this is the signal for the market for the upcoming recover, and the buyer supporting the market. Yeah, Euro USD. Anyway, that we need to wait for this candle close, and how is it going to be happened. If the next candle is another bullish one, yeah, this is the confirmation for the market that the market in the short term bounce back. Yeah, short term bounce back. And EMA, yeah, now EMA is acting like a dynamic support level. Okay, dynamic support level. And let's calculate the trading volume at this area. So at the 1.18659 is having a biggest trading volume. Oh, down here is very lack of liquidity, like it just filled the previous gap and heading up. Okay, so let me draw a below trend line and let's see what's going on. Okay, so this candle we will wait, and for the upcoming, how is it gonna feel? How is it gonna be happened? If the next one had the body close below the trend line, yeah, you know what is gonna be happen, right? Continue to collapse, heading down to below level. This is the one where we will pay attention to. First one, second. And it's not forming any specific pattern at all. And if you take a look closely from this one and this one, it's like a flag, right? It's like a flag, but we need a breakout or breakdown confirmation from the candle. Okay, so for this time we just observe, okay, and set any buy signal at a specific reliable support zone as a mark for you on the chart. Okay, we need to wait for a breakout or breakdown here. GBP, JPY. Recently that I observing this currency pair is heading down to below support zone. Down below. and I believe that this is where the markets have many trading volume. Oh, sorry. It is. Yeah. It continues forming a stable support level here. So yeah, we can consider for any buy signal at this level. Okay, so of course, for this specific point, we need to wait for the market confirmation candle. Okay, confirmation candle. And if you want to understand which patterns is the confirmation, now in my VIB signal group, I'm sharing this knowledge to all my VIB members, and I'm very welcome all of my new friends. Yeah, want to understand and explore this knowledge? Welcome to join my VIB signal group. Not only qualified scalping signal you will receive, but also other benefits like learning experience and knowledge from Golden Girl and other knowledge video that I share with you in private. Okay, so I believe that you will getting better, not only your trading result, but also your trading skill. Yeah, because I just follow the one traditional purpose that I want to help all my traders. Yeah, trust me and follow me. Will become more and more better and professional. Okay, and yeah, this is my brief introduction about the project. Yeah, the project. Now I'm just starting with my own VIB members, and it still have time for you. Yeah, you still have time to register and join in. Okay, so this analysis based on the 1 hour time frame. And for the currency pairs, the speed is slower than gold. Yeah, slower than gold price. So if you want to maximize your profits in a faster way, you can focus on gold assets only. And this is here we have other resistance. Yeah, it cannot break out strongly from this level, 200, right? 200.6. Below here we have the crossover between EMA 34 and EMA 89. So these two specific level will be our resistance zone. Hi Hassan, yeah, please leave the question that I will try to answer for you. Yeah, feel free to comment your question. Gold make us sleepy this time. Oh, it's just dropping down and have the very long lower wick. But anyway, still moving sideways in a rectangle box I draw for you on chart. 30.71, 11 price, $11 for the price range, moving sideways here. If I add volume range is price likely to trade into high volume area or away from it? That's very good question. Okay, for the high volume, you know that this is the confirmation. Yeah, this is the signal for you. And if you see the high volume area that happened in for the bullish candle, and that positions is the support level. Okay, so that's the bullish candle, bullish engulfing candle located at the current support level and trading with high volume. So it's definitely a confirmation for you to enter trade after that, and you should place the order, the stop loss level below the wick level, okay, of the previous candle. And yeah, anyway, that high volume will be your confirmation and your signal to have the reliable setup. Okay, you can try it. You can bet with this analysis. Yeah, try with this. And if you are not confident with your analysis, you can lower your trading volume or use the micro lot. Yeah, just to have the experience. And if you do it with your real-time account, live account, it will help you understand and remember everything longer in a longer time. Okay, but anyway, the price level having high volume is the confirmation and the signal that the market telling you that we should do the appropriate action. But we need to concern the location, that's the high level that happened. Okay, so if the bullish candle happened at the support level, okay, so definitely we have confidence to enter any buy scalping signal, right? And if the bearish candle located at resistance zone, okay, another confirmation for you to enter the sell scalping signal. But you need to looking for the stop loss level. Is it very important to you? And normally that I place around 50 pips for the stop loss level. Okay, and this is the rate. Yeah, because I need to make sure that risk reward ratio is balanced. Okay, so yeah, I hope you understand and will be trading well from this analysis. On your chart, okay, so this one, the previous one, because now the market is okay. So let's look back from the here. You can see here, this is the support level. Okay, coming back to the bigger time frame, like 1 hour. This is breakout area. Oh, sorry. Here you can see that below here is forming higher lows, right? The market's forming higher lows, and after that, this is a bullish candle. It's nearly engulfing, but okay. So all right, this zone, yeah, this zone is more easy for you to imagine. This one, yeah, this one. You can see that this is a support level, right? Because price just moving sideways and is forming a stable platform, right? The body of the candles is lying on EMA 34. Okay, and after that we identify first we identify the price zone, yeah, like this time. Okay, and you see there is a bullish candle here. Okay, and this is confirmation for you that the market is in the current uptrend, right? So we can confidently set the next entry. Sorry that I opened a 1 hour chart. Okay, so sorry, let me change into the smaller time frame for you to easily to understand, because 1 hour chart is for any swing trader. Okay, because we are scalper, that doing analysis in a 5-minute time frame, a smaller time frame is better for us. Okay, so like this one, we identify the candle bright zone, the bright zone, and after that another breakout, breakout candle. It's break the upper border and the previous peak here. So we are confidently to answer. Let me check long position. Okay, so we can set the stop loss, the entry zone here, or just this is the entry zone. Entry is a zone, not a specific level. Okay, so we can set the entry from the open price of the after candle of the next candle, and the stop loss level we will place below the previous candle. Okay, and if you want to check the volume, for me that I choose the trading volume, how to say, fixed range volume profile to measure here, because it's in we are in a 5-minute time frame, so you can say that it's kind of small, and this is where it have a biggest, the longest bar for trading volume here. So the level 36.96 will be the position have the longest horizontal bar, represents for buyers and seller quantity trading zone, trading volume here. Okay, so this is the confirmation for you that you are already know the buyers coming back and dominate the game, right? Break out the upper zone, break out the previous peak, and after that we can set the order at the price, open price, for the next candle, and the stop loss level we will place down below the previous shadow. Okay, the previous lower wick here, and the stop loss level we will consider to open it to the previous peak here, 36.99. Okay, so that is obviously that you see this signal already approved. Okay, reach for the take profits around the previous peak, 36.99, and it didn't hit the stop loss level at all. Okay, so this is an example that I hope you understand for the confirmation and the signal from the trading volume that the market want to tell you. And of course we need to confluence with other conditions like the momentum. First is the momentum of the candle, and second thing that the significant level that is already breakout. Yeah, breakout and momentum is two conditions we need to combine with trading volume to set up any qualified scalping signal. Okay, and you can say that the rate is nearly 1/1, is nearly balanced, right? So that is, I believe that this analysis meets enough condition for me that set up the scalping signal. Okay, is it for you to understand? Is it okay for you to understand, Hassan? Yeah, today I did the free introduction for this analysis. Yeah, this experience, this knowledge I only share with my VIP members, and today when the market's moving sideways, and yeah, I have time to share this tips, trading tips for you. It's heading back down, and the current candle is a bearish engulfing candle. I'd like to lower the level a bit. And it's about to hit our waiting entry zone. Okay guys, time's up, and now I have to focus back on my VIP members and my VIP signal group. Okay, so for any scalping signal that the market have enough conditions, I will post it, update immediately on my VIP scalping signal. And as usual, if you want to trade with me, welcome to my private scalping community on Telegram, and let's send me direct message on Telegram, and I will instruct how to join it very conveniently. Okay, thank you so much you guys for joining in my stream today, even though we do not have any live account, live signal. Yeah, but anyway, that this is my time to share a helpful experience trading for you, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube to receive the schedule whenever I have the streaming on YouTube. And yeah, once again, thank you so much and have a lovely day. And remember to trade safely, because today we have very important news that's gonna be happened. Okay, don't let us become a shark bait. Have a lovely day and see you next time.